All right, we are at the Casino Veneziano, and we're gonna do a walk through here. Just got on the ship, and this is what it looks like. Is that the kids section? The kids training section? Kids arcade. So they prepare here, right here. See this? Claw machine games. Prepare you for the actual slot machines. See how big this area is. We're walking from the back of the ship to the front. They have lots of copyright music. Oh my gosh, Firelinks, huh? It's your favorite. They got the 3 reels over here. And then they have this. Coin pushers to push down money. And here you go. We got Baccarat. Yeah, this one. 3 card poker. Does this say minimum $2? And roulette? Is it minimum $2?
$2. Is it?
Oh man.
Blackjack.
Blackjack. Hopefully they have war here.
Another roulette.
Yeah.
I don't see that.
Captain's over on the other side. They have 1 table.
Panicking. But another blackjack.
I have a big lot. Look at this table. Blackjack table.
21.
Yeah. So, Casino Veneziano. Lots of blackjacks. Oh, they got Game Kings over here for you. And then they have, look at it. Look at the bar here. And then they have this is called the Titanic staircase when you walk down.
Ooh, they have roulette. Electronic.
See, there's the electronic roulette.
What is the minimum?
50 cents.
50 cents
50
minimum.
cents. I'm gonna be sitting over here, I guess, huh? Would you like to play?
Would you like a card?
Jackpot Carnival. 777. It used to be over there. Yeah, maybe they took it out. Or maybe they have it in a different section.
Lightning link.
Oh, lightning links.
Oh, somebody left that.
What?
Wild.
Oh.
Someone playing this.
Oh, here it is. They have their own crap section over in this here.
Oh, what?
Yeah, look at that. They have their own crap section. Ooh.
Oh.
That's exciting. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be fun. So their own crap section.
Somebody was playing the Jolly 8 and left their wilds.
Oh, we're gonna have to run over here later when it opens. Do they oink still? Nope.
Now it's disabled.
Snaps. Coin
Dragon
trio.
Link.
Dragon links. A lot of coin trios here. Your prosperity links. Your panda magic. So the craps table used to be over there, and they moved it over to this room here, which is awesome. So it's own private, so you can sit there and scream and yell when you win.
Good afternoon, MSC family, and welcome aboard MSC Divina. We're absolutely thrilled to have you with us as we embark on this amazing journey. My name is Neil, and I'll be your cruise director throughout this voyage. We've got a fantastic itinerary.
Prosperity
Exciting activities, delicious dining, and world-class entertainment.
World-class
All to make your
entertainment.
happiness unforgettable. To kick things off, I'd like to invite you to a very special event this afternoon at 2 p.m. in the Pantheon Theatre. Join myself for the Cruise
Oh,
and
that's
Travel
the
Show,
casino.
where we'll showcase some of the
Everybody,
incredible
take your
destinations
ticket
and
in.
experiences we have lined up
Check
just
the
for
carnival.
you. You'll also get a sneak peek at our shore excursions, entertainment options, and exclusive activities available during your time on board. It's a great opportunity to ask any questions, meet the excursions team,
That's it.
and learn more about everything we have to offer. And not only that,
We'll record later.
free